Hippo Pizzeria is waiting for its first visitors. Good mood and tasty pizza for everybody. Slide to turn. Put duff and roll it out. Move finger right and left. The duff is roll it out. Cut the edges of the duff. Connect all the dogs in the correct order. Make a special tomato sauce for our pizza. Add chopped tomatoes to the bowl. You are so clever! Move the ingredient to the bowl. You are so clever! Add some salt. Add some pepper. Add some special spices. Pour some olive oil. Mix it up. Move left and right to mix. Smear the baking pan with butter. Move the piece of butter to pan and smear it. Move duff to the pan. Tap the duff. Put sauce on the duff. Move saucepan to the duff. Grate more cheese. Move cheese up and down. Choose the ingredients you want to put on pizza: meat, vegetables, or seafood. Choose the ingredient you need and add the correct amount. Make the fire in the oven. G helps at the warehouse. He could find anything there.
G, we need your help. Collect the items at the warehouse.
I'll do it.
Find the object from the list and tap it. Tap the obstacle to open the object.
You are so clever! Not correct! Bravo! Great! Wrong! Keep on! You are so clever! Wrong! Everything is correct! Keep on! You are so clever! Happy client left good tips. Wrong. Wrong. A happy client left good tips. Wrong. 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 A happy client left good tips.
We also deliver pizza. There is a huge picnic at the Central Park, and it means many clients for us. Everybody likes hot, delicious pizza. Direct motorbike. Serve people who want to try our tasty pizza. Have a nice meal and good day. Just cooked pizza specially for you. Just cooked pizza specially for you. Who ordered a hot, tasty pizza? Have a nice meal and good day. Just cooked pizza specially for you.
Remember to subscribe.